Hello aspirants, myself Asmita. Today we are going to discuss about NEET PYQs of 2023 paper biology part. So the question is, among eukaryotes, replication of DNA takes places in option A, S phase, option B, G1 phase, option C, G2 phase, option D, M phase. And the answer is S phase. Let us see the explanation. Among the eukaryotes, replication of DNA occurs during the synthesis phase or S phase. During this phase, the cell synthesizes an extra copy of DNA. And after the DNA replication is completed, the cell passes into G2 phase, during which it's the check the replication of DNA for errors and preparing for the mitosis or M phase by the process of cell division. Let us see the next question. The reaction center in PS2 or photosystem 2 as absorption maximite. Option A 700 nanometers, option B 660 nanometers, option C 780 nanometers, option D 680 nanometers. And the answer is 680 nanometers. Let us see the explanation. The reaction center in the photosystem 2 as an absorption peaks at around 680 nanometers in a visible light spectrum. The photosystem 2 is one of the two photosystems found in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast and is responsible for generating the oxygen and releasing into atmosphere as a byproduct of photosynthesis. And the other photosystem, PS1, is an absorption peak at around 700 nanometers, is responsible for producing NADPH. Let us see the next question. How many ATP and NADPH2 are required for the synthesis of 1 mole of glucose during the Calvin cycle? Option A 18 ATPs and 12 NADPH2. Option B 12 ATPs and 16 NADPH2. Option C 18 ATPs and 16 NADPH2. Option D 12 ATPs and 12 NADPH2. And the answer is 18 ATPs and 12 NADPH2. Let us see the explanation. The synthesis of 1 mole of glucose during the Calvin cycle is required 18 ATPs and 12 NADPH2. The Calvin cycle is a series of biochemical reactions that can take place in stroma of chloroplast during the photosynthesis, where the atmospheric CO2 is converted into glucose. This synthesis of 1 mole of glucose is required energy in the form of ATP and reducing in the form of NADPH2. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Bhagyalakshmi IS Institute for more videos.